Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to hide and find hidden photos in this device. Okay, for this, open the Photos application. First of all, now you need to select the photo that you want to hide. So here, let me show you. So here I am going to hide this photo. Tap on this one. Okay, so here you can see three dots on the top right side. Tap on this one. Now tap on the option hide photo. You can see that photo is disappear from Photos application. If you scroll down, so under the utility section you can see one folder hidden, right, in Photos application. If you tap on this one, if you set any screen passcode, you need to enter here. Here you can see the hidden photo, you can see here, right? So this is very simple. Just from the Photos application you can easily hide and you can easily unhide the photos also. So let me show you one more trick to hide this hidden folder from the Photos application. For this, simply go to settings, scroll to bottom, tap on apps, and the list of applications, select the application Photos. Tap on this one. Now scroll down. Here you can see the option show hidden album. You can see the hidden album will appear under utilities. Disable this one. Now go to here, you can see in Photos application you can see the hidden. If you right before hide this one. So now I enable for the enable for the show hidden album. So let me open the Photos application. You can see that one is disabled from Photos application. So if you want to this is very secure, right? So if you want to view the hidden album, again go to settings, apps, photos, then you need to enable that one. Again I will show you. Enable this one. You can see hidden is here. Then you can easily find the hidden album. So simply in this way you can hide and unhide the photos in this device. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.